All right, thanks, Brett. No doubt about it, we saw a lot of wind throughout East Texas today, and the up to 55-mile-per-hour gusts caused some substantial damage as well. Tonight, our Shondell Moniz has more about what to do with any debris or fallen trees on your property.
Goblins and ghosts decorate Jared Guerin's yard in preparation for Halloween this weekend. It's a spooky sight, but when he got home from work Thursday afternoon, something else spooked him.
As I was coming into the neighborhood, I saw a whole bunch of stuff down, and I was already like, uh-oh, wonder what my house is going to be like.
He found this tree limb. It fell right where he normally parks his car. If he'd been parked where he normally is, it could have done some damage.
Glad I wasn't here.
Jared says he's used to wind, but not quite like this. The city of Tyler tells us that so far today, they've responded to 44 calls of downed trees and limbs like this one.
Remember, those gusts reach speeds up to 55 miles per hour. Take a look at some other damage across East Texas. Lefa Latral sent us these photos out of Lake Fork. You can see the wind blew a metal sheet from her roof up into the trees. Lawn chairs and fallen trash cans scattered North Tyler, but the fallen trees like the one you're seeing out of Gladewater posed one of the biggest threats. Luann Campbell with the city of Tyler says fallen trees in someone's yard are the homeowner's responsibility. But here's when you should reach out to get help.
However, if you are driving or if you are out and about and you do see fallen trees in the streets or in our right-of-ways, we just need you to call that in.
Call Tyler Streets Department at 903-531-1393. If you noticed a down power line, don't call the city or Encore. Call 911. We've got you covered, East Texas. Shondell Moniz, CBS 19.